Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based energy meter reading using Raspberry Pi Pico with Blink app alert node MCU. So we have created one Blink application. So this is slide switch buttons, bulb 1, bulb 2 and one energy meter. So let us coming into the hard block diagram part. So in this block diagram we are using one Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board. So we are using the one power supply board, 9 volts adapter converting into 5 volts pure DC output, and GSM SIM 900A. So here we are using Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. So Node MCU ESP8266, we need to provide the Wi-Fi mobile hotspot internet to this Node MCU module, and those are connected with serial communication 2 and serial communication 1. 16x2 LCD display, it is connected with RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pin numbers. Relay 1, relay 2, bulb 1, bulb 2, 16 and 17 pin, and energy meter is connected to the AC power source. Okay, and we required mobile hotspot internet 4561. Okay, so here mobile data on as well as mobile hotspot on. So whenever we are giving the mobile hotspot internet, so it needs the configuration. So configuration is small letter project, SSID network ID, project password is project 1234. So we have to provide the internet to this node MCU module through external Wi-Fi hotspot mobile internet. Okay, so here we are using one GSM SIM 900A module, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. So we have to press down, lock open. Okay, so we need to insert the SIM card slowly. Okay, slowly, and lock it. Unlock, lock, unlock, lock. So here I am giving the adapter power source. So 9 volts, 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. So then bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Node MCU ESP8266, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board, and this is the reset button. If anything stuck in the LCD, you need to press the reset button. Okay, so here we are using two relay coil, SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the relay 1 bulb 1, relay 2 bulb 2. Okay, so now I am going to give the power supply. IoT based energy meter. So it will come the ESP321A64, that node MCU module is detected. Okay, GSM testing connected. Now I'm going to reset the switch. Okay, IoT based energy meter reading using Raspberry Pi Pico, Blink app, node MCU ESP8266, GSM testing connected. If you are not inserted the GSM SIM card, it will not going for the AT commands. Okay, test message connected, delete all messages. Okay, and we are getting the alert messages like 10 units, 20, 30 units, 60, 70 units, 140. Okay, open the Blink app and press the buttons. Okay, so these are getting the SMS alert. Okay, bulb 1, bulb 2, meter is 0. Okay, now meter is 0. So now I'm going to press the button. Okay, yeah, bulb 1 on, bill is 0. Okay, first you have to press 1, bulb 1, bill is 0, wait for some time. Okay, after that it will send the whenever it goes to 20, 40, 60. So whenever it's on, GSM is energy meter is also on. So I got the message alert. I inserted the student mobile numbers here, so they will get the SMS alert. Whenever it goes to 20, they will receive the SMS alert. So after 1000 counts, 1 pulse equal to 20 rupees, 20. So after that we will go for the second bulb. First 20. The SMS is also sent like 10 units consumed, pay the bill of 20. Here also it came. And so in the Blink app, Blink app is also 20. Okay, now I am going for the second second bulb on. Okay, blue. Okay, now second bulb to success. Okay, and 2 bulbs are on continuously. Okay, so LED getting the data. And once again, GSM SIM 900A, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED. And this is 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. Bulb 2, relay 1, bulb 1, relay 2, bulb 3, 2 channel relay board. And this is bulb 1 and energy meter board. And here is a Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board. And this is NodeMCU ESP8266. So that's it to 60, and here also 60. And they got the SMS alert. Student got the SMS alert called 30 units consumed, pay the bill of 60 rupees. So like that it continuously goes on, and it will continuously update the data into the Blink application. Okay, so now we are going to stop the bulb 2 off. Okay, and bulb 2 off, success. Okay, bill is 60. Okay, and the bulb 1 is on continuously. Whenever the bulb 1 is off, the bill is also closed. So whenever it start continuously, then again it will continuously start 140. So 140, like 70 units consumed, 140. So whenever we are going to stop, okay, press it, and bulb 1 off, success. LCD is clear. So whenever you on, then same units continuously on. So we are going to switch off this kit, total should be 0. Okay, and this is our block diagram, and this is our okay, this is our panel board. Bulb 1 on, success, bill is 140. Then continuously it is goes on continuous, and again we have to press bulb 2. Okay, bulb 2 on, success. Thank you.